stall, and the field is all set here at the 1200 metres. Set and away they go, and a very good line out. Robert E. wasn't all that flash away, and Shinken sent away nicely. Street Ruffian, Magic Gaia, Montego Bay, Nero Grotto on the inside, all in the first half dozen or so. Then Good as Gold, as expected, out very wide, but is slowly pushing forward. Robert E's improving between runners, and then came Honest, a length and a half away in the race there. Gutsy Boxer, Rising Expectation on his outside, about 4 lengths away. Exxon at the 800 metre mark, and a length and a half away. Seacrest last of all. It is Shinken Sen who led the field. Down the side of the course, Street Ruffian moves up on the outside, basically on level terms at the 600 metres, followed further back by Montego Bay. Good as Gold is striding around the outside, 3 deep, and travels all right. Then came Robert E, who's also weaving through the field. Nero Grotto, Rising Expectation, Magic Gaia, Honest a long way back with Gutsy Boxer turning for home now, and it's Street Ruffian who's gone past Shinken Sen, but Good as Gold still travels under a very tight hold. Then Robert E under the whip between runners. Rising Expectations running on well, and they were clear of Honest, who's running a race down the outside across the track here. Rising Expectation going up to Good as Gold and Street Ruffian, and Honest on the outside is still coming, but it's Rising Expectation who's grabbed the lead from Good as Gold and Honest, and it is Rising Expectation who wins it. Honest has run a big race second. Third might be Good as Gold. Street Ruffian in the photo as well, and Seacrest was out wide. Further back behind those